Welcome back. 24 at Windsor. Remember to subscribe and follow us and click that bell icon to get alerts. So today we'll go up to the cabin. We'll do some cleaning because for the last couple weeks we have been doing different type of work in the cabin, so I just need to give it a clean out now, dust down, and get ourselves ready for the next project or the next aspect of the project as it relates to the cabin. Just keep watching to see what we are doing today. See a little landslide right behind the cabin on the opposite side of the stream. Small one, but a landslide just the same. So we lost a whole root of banana here. Okay, alright, that's it now in terms of cleaning. We still have a lot of arrangements to do kind of make the place look a little more, you know, spacious. Lot of room. So that's it for cleaning. All we're going to know is go out and walk up and down the stream with all the heavy rain, just to see what has been happening to the stream. Right? Enjoy yourself a little. Alright, we just found out that the queen bed, the mattress air bed, has a leak. So gonna try and repair it. So that's cleaning the area that we found the tear. Not sure what could have torn it, but it has a tear. I'm just gonna tape it this way and then tape it over this way as well. Not sure how well this will work, but this is the only thing I have right now. This is a tape that I bought for the tent, to seal the tent, but I found that after a while it will lift when water touches it. So hopefully this will stay a little dry for a little bit and then start blowing it up again. Let's see if that works. If not, we'll draw for one of the other earbeds. Rain coming down even harder now. We're planning to go walk up the stream, but I guess I have to wait a little. Alright, so the patch, hopefully the patch worked, so we'll try to blow it up again. If that doesn't work, we have to draw for the other blow up bed, which is a manual pump.